What's up everybody, this is Spencer from Pixel and Bracket, and this is a little different. It's a YouTube tutorial, how to schedule unlisted videos. You can do it, let me show you how. Okay, this is a pretty simple method that I ran into one day, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. I've uploaded a video, and a lot of times I want to send stuff out so that people can view it with just a link, and unlisted is the easiest way to do that. But once you have something under unlisted, you notice that as I drop that down, scheduled is grayed out. I cannot schedule it. Guess what? There is a workaround. All I have to do is switch it back to private. Okay, so it's on private. Now I save changes, and I kind of wait a second for those save changes to take effect. It'll sort of refresh your page a little bit. You might even see the save changes button go back to blue. And once it does that or refreshes your page in general, I look at my drop down and I can schedule it now. Now I actually need to schedule this one for tomorrow. So check it out. Scheduled, select the day. I'm going to schedule it for Sunday. We'll schedule this for 8 a.m. on Sunday. That's when this video is going to come out. Everything looks good. Publish on Sunday at 8 a.m. Perfect. That's how you schedule an unlisted video. Like this video if it helped you out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.